They say what you seek is seeking you. And if you're searching for a gateway to an exceptional academic journey, then College Mews Student Accommodation in Lincoln is the one for you. This place offers fully furnished, lavish studio apartments that assure a good night's sleep in the city that never sleeps. Your private bedroom greets you with a snuggly bed, with a large window by its side bringing in fresh air and soothing natural light. Free high-speed Wi-Fi allows you to juggle your academics and entertainment simultaneously, while a communal courtyard ensures you have enough space to take a stroll and rejuvenate with fellow residents. Step out of the apartment and walk for 5 minutes on College Mews to explore at least 5 delightful restaurants. From groceries to movies, everything can be reached in less than 10 minutes. You won't be late for your classes at the University of Lincoln, as it is a short 3-minute stroll from this stellar abode. Besides, living in Lincoln and not exploring its vibrant culture is impossible, so catch a bus just down the street from the Holmes Road bus stop and get ready for amazing nights on the town. Lincoln is calling you. So hurry up and secure your home today at amberstudent.com.